Hello and welcome to another quick update about ADA today here on Sunday. I think normally sort of in a couple of hours the volatility in the market should start to begin really towards the weekly candle close, as we're marching towards it. This video I just want to focus on this little bit here. For me, it currently looks like the low could be in here, but again, I told you we need a move above the wave 4 high here to at least get some initial confidence that this low is in. Interestingly though, today Bitcoin and at least Bitcoin made a new low, which again sort of was not something that was off the radar. It certainly is all still possible until certain levels are broken that are also communicated in the Bitcoin video. Here on the ADA chart we didn't, so this sort of could indicate that swing low here is already in at around 42.5 cents. That's also important for the bullish scenario, because if ADA loses the 42 cent level, we're probably going to see here, and that's just what it is, a lower low, even lower than the 40.3 cents from the 13th of July. ADA did retrace more than it would have been ideal, possibly also fueled a little bit, and the catalyst might have been that negativity around the testnet that was spread. Most of it often FUD, but it is what it is. And we at the moment have an opportunity to move higher from here. We have at least made a higher low, a slightly higher high as well. Would now be good in the next move to break that swing high. First of all, get above that wave 4 high here again, but then really break that swing high 45.4 cents. And then we can move to that wave 1 low, which is also important to break, which is at 46.3 cents, and then the 48 cent level. And then we can move higher. In the bullish scenario, we would now expect a wave 3 to play out. That should be an impulsive move. This move here that's happening at the moment, it would need to be a leading diagonal. It looks corrective, unfortunately, the move here to the upside. I have my difficulties to count this as a 5-wave move, but a leading diagonal would work out. Therefore, that is possible, but because it's not a classical impulse, at least not yet, it's not great. And that's probably also why we got rejected here at this high. So we're waiting here for higher highs at the moment on the ADA chart. Again, critical level remains the 42 cent level. Shouldn't go below this, and that is a crucial level to protect the bullish scenario. I had a comment in the previous video that now I'm saying we're going down. No, I'm not. At the moment, the bullish scenario is still the primary, as long as we're holding this support level, but the chart just doesn't look good. It is what it is. So there's still the bullish scenario here possible, where we had the wave 1 that started at this low, and we moved up all the way to the 55 cent level, and we then came down in the wave 2. And the wave 2 consists of a wave A, an overshooting wave B, and a wave C in an expanded flat pattern. And in terms of Fibonacci retracements, you can see that we have come down nearly to the 88.7% Fib level at 42 cents. If you lose the 88.7% Fib level, it's always very unlikely that you are still in this scenario here. Therefore, this level is so crucial. And that's pretty much everything we can talk about at the moment. We had a bullish divergence on the chart that might be playing out now. On the 4-hour chart, we had a bullish crossover today. We talked about that on the MACD and the RSI. But now it really needs to start going higher, As you can see here, we already lost a little bit of momentum here, but that could have been the wave 1 here, and now the wave 2 came down to 43.7 cents. Again, this is just micro counting, but important is that in the bullish scenario we would expect to move up, even in the bearish one. If we have the bearish scenario, and this here was then already a wave 1 to the downside, possibly, then we would now also expect a wave 2 retracement to the upside before we come down. So in any scenario at the moment, for me, I would expect some upside. The risk for me is, or the reward is definitely more on the upside here at the moment. Irrespective of, what kind of scenario is playing out, you always need to maybe decouple a little bit the scenarios that I tell you from the actual, where on which side is the risk at the moment. And at the moment we have come down to support. We've seen bullish divergences. We're basically oversold. So for me, there is some upside coming here. And I'm gonna update you as we go along. Yeah, just a quick update here for ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.